Salam dear students, I am Dr. Khushnudur Rahman and I want to share with you some knowledge about the endnote. Endnote is a very essential software for students, researchers, those who are compiling their thesis or doing some assignments or working on research papers. Endnote is a very handy tool or software for you. So what you have to do there are few steps and few things you will learn about the endnote, and the rest of the knowledge you will gain by doing it. So what you have to do is to install endnote. Endnote is available in almost every university website. They pay for it. It is legal software. If it is not, you can get it from anywhere in the store. Once you install endnote, what you have to do is that you have to make a new library. That is a library, mine endnote library. You have to save it because I have it, so I don't want to replace that library. So I'll cancel it, but you have to do a new library. Then what you have to do is now endnote is a very handy tool regarding the research, so one has to learn it for the research purposes. Dear students, once you make a library, then the rest is very easy. What you have to do, just go to the Google Scholar. Google Scholar should be your friend because Google Scholar is a very handy tool, and you should have it on in front of you. Then if you want to search for your topic, for example, antimicrobial activities of essential oil, just for the sake of information, I want to know about this and I want to quote something from this research paper, and I like a paragraph and I want to quote it. So what I have to do, I'll just select it. Then later on you can play with it, you can rephrase it, you can do the work whatever you want, but first of all you want to quote something from the here. So you have to copy it, come to the world, and just there in the world you will have this little arrow. This little arrow make Times New Roman, and for example the font size, if till it will make it your default. So make it your default from here, the normal fonts. It will come to you and you can make it default from here. So what you have to do, you just paste it. But how you will paste it? You just paste it with this A, because only the text will come in your world, but the links and all other unwanted things which you don't want to paste in your research or research papers, it will not come. So once you just paste it, then go to the Google Scholar. And cite it. This 99 are just cite written. At the end of this, there will be written endnote. When you click the endnote will come over here. You can see the citation or the reference will come over here, and you can first, when it comes here, when you are using it for the first time, remember it will not be clicked, it will not be selected, it will not be blue in color, so blue highlighted. So you have to, for the first reference, you will highlight it in the blue color. Then you will come here to the world and just cite it. Go to the endnote, go to the insert citation. Then the second option is insert selected citation, and you do whatever you want. Now at the end, your reference will come over here. You can see if I bring the references closer to you, that you may see it. If you want to, for example, quote something or citations in here, what you will do, just go to the endnote, go to the Google Scholar, cite whatever you want. I'm just doing it for the sake of learning, because I don't know what is in it, and if I require it or not. remember, first read the research paper. If you read the research paper, then you will cite it. A normal formula is read 10 research paper and cite one research paper. So you will gain a lot by this way if you want to become a good researcher. So go to the endnote, insert citation, insert selected citation, and remember that is there. Now Jensen is there. So if you want to change the citation, if the style is different, for example, not Harvard one, for example, it is Pakistan Journal of Botany or whatever, or numbered one, so it will come in number, because you can change that in endnote. One problem which comes often with the researcher is that when the instant formation is off, it gives problem to these students, and they say endnote has something wrong with it. There is nothing wrong. It means that you have in your endnote the instant formation is off. That you will write it where? So cite it, select it. It will come to the library. For example, if you want to quote it, for example, you like something, and if you insert the selected citation, remember the instant formation is off over here. That place, the instant formation is off, so it will give me a problem. Now you can see it is not in proper format. I select it for you, and it will give just like this. It will give a problem. Just you can see that the citation is not in a proper format. So what you have to do, just come to the endnote, and instant formatting is off, turn instant formatting on, and ta-da, now you have it. So it is very easy, dear students. I hope it is helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you.